Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new update for Discord that allows you to easily view transferred media in your chats. If you've ever struggled to find that one image or video someone shared, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, open your Discord app. Whether you're using the desktop version or your favorite web browser, just make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for your media. This can be a private conversation or a busy server. Either way, we're about to make your life a whole lot easier. Next, look for the search bar located at the top right corner of the page. This handy little feature is your best friend for finding content quickly. Just click on it to get started. Now, here's the key part. To refine your search, type the type of media you're looking for preceded by the word has. For example, if you're searching for images, you would type has image. If it's a video, you would write has video. This simple trick helps Discord filter your results to show only the media you need. And there you have it. Once you hit enter, browse through the results to find the media you were looking for. With these straightforward steps, locating transferred media in Discord has never been easier. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. Happy chatting!